Hello, welcome to EcoCard Solution. This video will cover on the role maintenance. Right. First of all, before I start, let me run through the slide over here. Okay. Now, the what we are doing here is basically defining a role. Right. The role is given a name, which is a manager, or it can be a clerk, or it can be administrator, or anything. Okay, each of these roles will be given a permission. Okay, that permission are basically the services that we want to allow the manager to perform, allowed to perform, or the clerk, what are the services you want the clerk, okay, to be able to access to. Now the services can be overlapped, okay, either one, and it can be very distinct. So how you configure them, right, it is up to you, right? Once you have done this defining the role, then we create the users and assign the user to the roles. Once you've done that, then for example, Thomas, he will be given manager role, okay, and he can perform actions in relation to whatever that was assigned to, okay. Similarly, if Jason Bond, okay, is assigned to a manager role and also a clerical role, they can perform a manager or clerk role, okay. So how you mix and match is up to you, and it's up to your preference. So I'm going to do the role first. Okay, look at the other video, how you're going to assign the user to the role. All right. So I'm going to work on this video. Will basically cover the role and setting the permission, right? And it's very easy. Now, to access the role maintenance, first of all, go to the role access management. In the role access management, what you find that in our case, we have created several of them. Okay, you can have Chinese names over here too, Chinese name to the role. Um, it all depends on you. What you want. It can be Indian, Tamil. Okay, it can be Jawi or any language. Okay, so it will support. Now, I'm good. Assuming I want to remove this role. First of all, I select this. Okay, and then I click delete, okay, and I click delete, and it's gone. All right. Now you can see the list no longer show this. Okay. So now assuming that I want to create a new role, okay, and I don't like any of this option, what I'll do is that I'll create a manager. Okay. Sorry, administrator. Maybe I call it administrator. Once I create the administrator, then next I select the ones that I want to give to the respective role. Okay. Now you see that when I start to expand this further, okay, basically what this means is that, okay, in my default company, in my default company, this particular administrator can perform this function. Okay, they can open, save, all right, and the transaction type, they can do account transaction type, they can open and save too. All right. Now, in if you want it to be different from the default company, what you need to do is select here, okay, the one that you want to do it differently, right? Now, EcoCard Indonesia is a separate company, is a different company with a different databases, okay, different storage. Basically, it's a different license, okay. You can, in that sense, we call this as a related company, right? So how do you access the related company? Assuming you have multiple related company, all you have to do is switch from one company to another company. So if you switch to when the user log into EcoCard Indonesia, then this particular user with the administrator role will only be able to perform these three functions, okay? But when under the default company, okay, then they can perform these four functions, all right? So it all depends on how you define. So what I need to do is save. Once you have done that, you'll find that the administrator name appears, okay? So all you need to do is select administrator, okay, And if I want to change the permission now, all right, all you have to do is just highlight the one that you want to change, save. So if we go back to administrator, you see the changes being reflected. Now, this list is a very long list. It's going to be a very, very long list. Sometimes it's so long that you just only want to focus on a certain modules and certain services. What you need to do is to filter them by selecting, okay, I want to focus on payroll, right? When you do that, then all the payroll module functions will be made available to you. Okay, you can also do Control C, Control V. Okay, and once you've done that, then all you have to do is click Save. Okay, so this is how you create, change, and save the rows. Now, in the audit trail, okay, we show you what are the changes that you have done. Okay, this is the original value and this is a new value. Okay, all right, that will be it for the role access in management. Thank you.